Now, this is a weird time to draw this guy. But, what the heck. Tonight we're gonna draw Tsintaosaurus. Let's see. It says here that Tsintaosaurus is known to be, well, it has this really huge... It has this huge unicorn-like sensor on above its nose. This thing above its nose, it kind of... It tells whenever its allies are around, whenever its friends are nearby, or if it senses anything from the distance, like if it senses any threats. Alexa, stop. Either way it goes, I don't really get to see this dinosaur as much as you guys do, but for some reason, I took a liking to this dino. Now that I think about it, it kind of deserves its own spotlight. I don't really get to see it much in documentaries. It would have been a great asset to life on our planet, along with other prehistoric planet-related videos. I bet it would go great in, let's see, what else? What would it go great in? Oh yeah, that Apple TV show. I think it was called Prehistoric Planet. No, I'm not talking about the one from BBC Video. I'm talking about the one that was seen on Apple TV. It looked a lot like the one from... Alexa, read my notifications.
One new notification from Amazon. On Friday, rain is expected near you in Cold Spring Harbor, starting around 5 p.m. and stopping around 11 p.m. You can expect about 0.17 inches.
Yes, thank you very much. Anyway, from what I've been told, much like most animals, I think these guys traveled in herds. They've got families to look after. They got a lot of mouths to feed. And basically, well, that pretty much sums about it. Well, that was kind of easy. Who would have thought drawing Lambeosaurus would be so fast? Truth be told, I think I'm getting used to drawing things that are small. Well, I don't know how long I've been drawing small stuff for, but you get the idea. Well, anyway, on to my next event.